Have you ever wondered how to create viral videos without any fancy equipment, just using your smartphone? Today, I'm going to teach you a simple trick with AI that can help you easily get millions of views. Are you ready? Remember how popular cake or fake videos were trending for a while? At one time, videos of crushing different objects were very popular. Well, those videos have gone viral too. Today, I want to show you how to make these kinds of videos without even leaving your seat, just with the smartphone in your hand. You can publish these videos on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok and get tons of views and revenue from them. Don't worry about monetizing your YouTube videos. I'll explain later how to use this AI to make money. So, if you're interested in AI, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stick with me until the end of the video. Among all the amazing AIs available for video creation, PIKA stands out. PIKA is an AI designed for making videos, and it's really popular because it's free to use. First, go to the homepage of this site and click on the Sign In button. You can log in with your Google, Facebook, or Twitter account. If you haven't used this AI before, click on Sign Up here. In the Explore section of PIKA, you'll find various examples of videos created with it. You can click on any of these videos to download them by pressing the download button. You can also access your own videos from the My Library section. To create a video in PIKA, we write our desired text here. By clicking on this button, I can upload an image that will be transformed into a video. This shows the version of PIKA I'm currently using. PIKA 1.5 is the latest version that includes all the trendy effects. If I click on Advanced Options, I can add a negative prompt here. I can provide a specific code for SID. This is also where the aspect ratio option is, which is currently disabled because I uploaded an image. If I delete my image, the aspect ratio option will become active again. Now, I'm going to click this button to create my video. The free plan of PIKA is a bit slow. However, as it states here, the free plan gives you 150 credits monthly. Each video you create costs 15 credits, and you also get access to PIKA 1.5. These are videos that I previously made with the help of PIKA. But what do you need to do to create the viral videos I showed you at the beginning? Here, I click on Image and choose my desired picture. Then, I select one of these effects from the PIKA Effects section. To dot it, deflate it, crumble it, dissolve it, squish it, inflate it, melt it, crush it, cake-ify it, and finally, explode it. I uploaded a picture of a cake, so if I select the Cake-ify effect, it won't be very interesting. It's better to choose an effect that the audience isn't expecting, so I'm going with Squish It. Now, I'll click this button to create my video. These videos have gone viral on various social media platforms. However, if you simply upload the same video to YouTube, just give PIKA an image, create a video, and post it to your channel. You shouldn't expect to monetize it. So, what's the solution? We need to combine these videos with real-life footage. For example, I can play the role of a sculptor creating clay sculptures. First, I'll show my image, set up some clay on my table, show the final result, and then the video created with PIKA's effects. In reality, I didn't do much. I just arranged some colored clay on the table and filmed it. The rest was done by PIKA AI. But there's an even more creative way I want to share with you. Let's watch this video together. In the video, the guy disintegrates everything he approaches. He has created a very interesting and creative video. This video is also made by the same person. He wakes up in the morning, and whatever he looks at deflates like a balloon. If you also create such creative videos, you can be sure your YouTube channel will get monetized. What other kinds of videos do you think can be made using the new effects from Pika? Make sure to use Pika and send me the links to your creative videos in the comments. I'll definitely check them out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.